Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use conditional formatting rules in Google Sheets. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use conditional formatting rules in Google Sheets. The first thing you need to do is to go to Google Sheets, to open your Google Sheet documents, which of course I've done right here. Then you will need to click and drag to select the range of cells you want to apply conditional formatting to. So right here is metric. I'm just going to leave that there. And I'm just going to click and drag this, the cells, the range of cells. So I'm using the control instead. So let's say I want to do conditional formatting for this range of cells. So the next thing to do is to click on Format menu at the top of the screen. Then from the drop down menu, choose Conditional Formatting, and this will open the Conditional Format Rules panel on the right side of the screen. You have to ensure that the Apply to Range field displays the range of cells you selected. Oh yes, that's A1 to A4, B1 to B4, and you can also adjust the range if needed. So format cells if, that's right under the format rules. Choose a condition from the drop down menu. Common conditions include cell is empty or cell is not empty, or text contains. Text contains means format cells that contain specific text. Date is format cells with specific date, and number is format cells based on numerical values greater than, less than, and custom formula is just use a custom formula to apply conditional formatting. So let's say text contains, let's say if text contains customer. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And the next thing is to set the formatting style. So choose the formatting style you want to apply when the condition is met. This include the text color. You can use a text color, or you can even change the background color of the cell. You can use bold, you can bold in, italicize, or underline, and then use borders. Let's apply the borders to cell if you want to. And you can add more rules, just add additional rules. That's additional. If you want to apply more rules, click on add another rule in the conditional format rules panel, which is here, and configure the new rule using the same steps as before. Of course, once you are done, click on done, and you see that it's going to reflect here. So text contains customer has already been highlighted. Now to edit or delete existing rule, just go ahead and click on the rule in the conditional format rules panel. And once you click on that, you can then adjust the conditions or formatting options. You can click on the trash can, which is just right there. Let me exit this. And okay, so I'm just gonna click on that again. Head over to you really have to do that to me. Enable to format and conditional formatting, and that's here. So you can click on this bin icon to just go ahead and trash or delete the rule. Okay, so that's really much it. Now, conditional formatting rules are applied in the order they appear. Now, if multiple rules appear, apply the first matching rule would take precedence, and then use custom formulas for more complex conditions. Make sure the formula references the correct cells relative to the range selected. So by following the steps, you can effectively use conditional formatting in Google Sheets to visually analyze and interpret your data. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.